Welcome back to TD Insights Live. Continuing my Then and Now series, let's now pivot to the first of three retail loss prevention technologies. First up, you might be surprised, is the cash register, which was originally invented to stop retail theft. The inventor of the cash register was James Ritty, a saloon keeper in Dayton, Ohio. Watching his employees in 1879 taking cash from patrons, Ritty began to wonder how they separated what belonged to the business versus what they were potentially stealing for their own profits. Having observed counters on a steamship that kept track of the number of propeller revolutions, with the help of his brother, he patented the first cash register in 1883. John H. Patterson, a storekeeper, bought the rights to Ritty's patent for $6,500 in 1884 and founded the National Cash Register Company, or NCR. His interest in the technology was sparked by losses from one of his oldest retail clerks that was favoring friends by selling goods below regular prices. Patterson was also a master salesman, and to NCR he brought highly professional sales training that was later even adopted by IBM. Foremost in the selling process of the cash register was the theft triangle, which focused on the balance between risk, opportunity, and need rationalization. The cash register decreased the opportunity to steal by accurately counting transactions, and the loud noise by design and later with a bell that it made during a transaction increased the risk of getting caught. In 1973, IBM developed the first computer-powered cash register. It was also the first network POS solution allowing for the consolidation of data from 128 cash registers. Later decades introduced touchscreens, customized variation in industries such as fast food, and by the early 2000s, cloud POS made an appearance. Today, you can check out even on your smartphone in multiple retailers. But the ultimate evolution of the cash register was delivered by Amazon when they opened their first fully automated checkout store to the public in 2018. Amazon Go provides checkout-free shopping experience made possible by the same types of technologies used in self-driving cars, computer vision, sensor fusion, and deep learning. Just Walk Out technology automatically detects when products are taken from or returned to the shelves and keep track of every item in your virtual cart. When you're done, you just walk out and the receipt is automatically sent to you via your Amazon account. From a bar in Dayton, Ohio, where the barkeep was worried about his profits, to now over 40 Amazon Go stores open in the United States and the United Kingdom, we have come a long innovation way with the cash register. That's it for now. Thank you for listening, and really appreciate it if you liked, shared, or commented on this video, and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.